When the electricity goes out, provide your home with hours of reliable pumping using Little Giant sump pump battery backup systems. Complete all plumbing, pump installation, and pump control switch installation before installing the controller. Let's get started. The controller, which includes LCD display indicator lights, serves as an all-in-one controller, charger, and alarm. The controller is designed to be installed on the wall in a visible location. The LED lights on the front of the charger and the switches on the face of the unit should be accessible and clearly visible. Select a location for the controller and the battery relative to the sump basin so that all provided wiring will reach their respective connections with some slack remaining in the wiring. Use the controller's mounting holes to mark the location on the wall for the included anchors and mounting screws. Install the unit on the wall using the included anchors and mounting screws if suitable. Locate the controller as far away from the battery as the provided wiring permits. The controller should not be installed directly over the battery. Gases from the battery will corrode and damage the unit. The battery should be positioned away from the wall to allow for adequate ventilation of any fumes that are given off during charging. Verify that all plumbing is complete and installed accurately. Verify that the charger is not connected to the power supply source. Remove the plastic cover on the bottom of the charger. Connect the terminals from the control switch cord to the two male tab terminals on the controller marked Switch Terminals. Reinstall the plastic cover. Connect the terminals from the backup pump cord to the terminals from the controller pump cord. Be careful to match the correct polarity. Connect the controller to the battery. Make sure to connect the positive terminal of the controller battery cord to the positive post of the battery. Correct polarity is marked on the cord as well as the battery. In the case of a reverse connection, the controller will sound an alarm when the 115 volts AC power is supplied to the unit. Install the battery box cover. Verify that all wiring is complete and accurate. Once all plumbing and electrical connections are complete and verified, plug the 115 volts AC power supply cord for the controller into a 115 volts AC electrical outlet. Do not connect this controller to the same circuit used for the primary pump. The AC outlet used for this unit requires a separate 3 amp 115 volts AC circuit. Press the test button and observe that the backup pump is running. For more information, reference the owner's manual. Thanks for watching.